XRP USDT. So XRP Ripple, XRP bounced off of the 50-day SMA of $1.05 on September 13th, suggesting that the bulls are defending this level. All right, welcome back to Win with Ryan, where we search the crypto headlines, surf the crypto markets, and we surf the world. So in today's video, we've got a great video for you on XRP. XRP Army in the house. So today we're going to go over some price analysis for XRP, what it's looking like in the charts. And then we're going to also jump over to the live chart. So we're going to see what's actually going on live and see if we can pinpoint when it's going to make its next breakout, or if it looks like it's going to be falling in the price. All right, and today's video is brought to you by SuperDraft Pro. SuperDraft Pro has partnered with Caesars Rewards to bring you live daily fantasy sports. Start the fun now. I'm going to go ahead and provide a link down in the description below so you can check that out. There are 4 ways to play daily fantasy with this program here. As you can see here, there's an elite program. This is actually the program I personally use. $100 a month, become a coach, and making money doesn't have to be a grind. Create a sports business from the comfort of your own home, get paid to play games, and have fun with friends and family wherever you are. XRP USDT. So XRP Ripple, XRP bounced off of the 50-day SMA of $1.05 on September 13th, suggesting that the bulls are defending this level. The altcoin could now rise to the 20-day EMA of $1.13, where the bears are likely to pose a stiff resistance. And as you can see right here, the price, it did bounce off of the 50, which is this red line right here. And then it rose up to the 20 moving average, which is here. And we are wanting it to break through there. The 20-day EMA is sloping down gradually, and the RSI is just above the midpoint of 50, suggesting a minor advantage to the bears. A break and close below the 50-day SMA will suggest that the bears have overpowered the bulls. The selling could intensify if the bears sink the price below the September 7th intraday low at 95 cents. Contrary to this, if the bulls drive and sustain the price above the 20-day EMA, it will indicate that the correction could be over, and then XRP USDT pair could then rise to the overhead resistance zone at $1.35 and $1.41. So let's go take a look at this chart in a little bit more in-depth detail. All right, guys, so as you can see here down at the bottom, this is 50 cents, the blue dotted line here. This next dotted line is $1.07. The next dotted line is $1.35. And then up here is the $1.66. All right. As you can see, it is creating a rounded bottom. The RSI is currently sitting right at the midpoint. It says 49.15. So it's just at the 50 when this was currently recorded a couple of hours ago. And you can see we are currently trapped between the 50 moving average of $1.05, this red line, and the 20 exponential moving average of $1.13, the blue line. So we want to see this. It's currently sitting at $1.11 here. We want to see this break above that $1.13 and make its move all the way back up to $1.35, and then break above $1.41 is really ultimately where we're looking for. Because once it breaks this previous high and starts to make its move up, that's when we can see it really take off to the next level. But anything above $1 breaking back up towards $2 is going to be fantastic. Now let's go take a look at the live charts and see what's going on. All right, so here we have XRP on the daily charts live. As you can see right now, the price is sitting at $1.10. So it's 1 cent down from the earlier recording. And it's actually currently bouncing off of the volume max. So this is the local daily volume max, going all the way back to April 15th. All of those days are in this max. That's where the most volume has been coming in to XRP since then. As you can see here, this red line indicates that that is the volume section there. If this breaks above that volume section and it can start to make its move, that's going to be great. Right now, it has bounced off of that, and it's looking like it's moving back down to the $6 mark on this 50 moving average. However, I already took a look earlier on the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, same thing. It has actually busted above the 4-hour max volume. And this goes all the way back to August 21st. And this is actually busted above it. It came down, retested, and now it is making its move up again. So it has bounced off of that max volume here at $1.09, and it seems to be making its move back up. This 4-hour candle just is about to come to a close here in 21 minutes, which is really good. So looking like we got some positive momentum going there. Let's bring in our TDI indicator here. So the TDI shows that we have been moving upwards in the actual interest in XRP. So the interest of XRP is moving up. The price has been staying flat. So we now have a positive divergence. You go there and you go here, which is just on that line that was already there. So this is rising up. This is the interest of the coin. This is staying flat. This is the price of the coin. That usually indicates that we are going to see a nice break to the upside. And once it does make the break to the upside, the really good news here is there is nothing stopping XRP from going up to the $1.28 zone. As you can see here, if it breaks above this, this is like your volume mountain here. Let me show you guys a little bit more zoomed in. This volume mountain right here. So it broke above it, which was important. It's bouncing off of it. And if it can take off, I mean, this has room to run. There is nothing but room there for sure on the 4-hour. So as you can see here, it's going to go up, 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 up. It's going to have a little resistance here. That's going to have to break through to $1.13. Another little breakthrough at $1.17. And then $1.25. So this thing could run to $1.25. Let's take a look at the 1-hour chart even. Get a really detailed look here. Let's move this fib off there. So again, as you see on the 1-hour, we've got our price climbing, but right here, we've got our price flat. That's a good sign for us that something is going to be coming. The volume is building, consolidating sideways, but the interest of the coin is growing upwards. You can see here on the 1-hour, we've got all the way up to the 55 level. And we like this. It's always a good sign when this is running up all the way until it gets to 80. Once it's in the 80 zone, I mean, even above 70 gets a little dangerous, but when it's up here, so we've got days for it to keep moving up there. So over the next week or so, this thing could pump pretty severely as long as the market brings some volume to play. So right now on the 1-hour, so let's take a look at this too on the 1-hour because we looked at the 4-hour. As you can see, our 20 crossed over the 50. This was on September 14th. So what is that? 2 days ago. That's good news. That crossed over there. It's been climbing up. It broke above the 200 on the 1-hour, stayed there for a little bit, came back down and retested that 50. And now it's climbing back above that. It also retested off this massive volume on the 1-hour here at $1.09. So that's where we're at there. And let's also take a look at our RSI with the moving average strategy. Let's turn that on. So right now on the 1-hour, it is showing it as a sell because obviously it's coming back down. It was doing that retest. So what could happen here? Could it come all the way back to $1.07 on the retest? It is definitely possible, but the signs are showing that it should not do that. In fact, let's take a look. This 1-hour candle is going to end here in 20 minutes, which should come down, basically touch this Bollinger Band here, and then we should see the next leg of the up move start. So we'll know in the next hour or two what's going to happen, if this is going to make its next move up, which is going to be nice because as you can see, it's been testing this support here, which was $1.05, started to finally make its move up. Now it's retesting back at $1.09, so we're growing in price. What we want to see it do is break above these previous highs, which is right here at $1.12. If it breaks above $1.12, $1.13 for a full hour candle, it could run up all the way back up to $1.21, maybe even all the way up to $1.25, because the next interruptions on the 1-hour is at $1.19. So that is the live charts. Check that out. Hope you guys have a lot of volume on your side coming in for XRP as well. It's looking good. We just need to make sure that it does not break below this $7 section again, or $5. If it breaks down below that, it could be a long ride down from there. But that's been a massive support. It's also starting to build some momentum. We've got our positive divergence, price is flat, but the interest in the token's going up, which is very positive. So Ripple XRP could have some good news. Don't forget to sign up for the fantasy. Come play with me in our league over there as well. And we'll see you on the other side.